I just want to show you this repair app. It is amazing, brilliant stuff. It's a new product that I've been using. All I need is something that's broke and we can fix it. So what I've got, my old Target, the base of it is, had it. It should be welded, the weld broke. I tried riveting it, but it's not up to much. So what I'm hoping is using the repair app, I'm going to wrap it round and beef it up, and I'm hoping it's going to support it and make it good. Yeah, let's see how we get on. In the box, you get a couple of little goodies. You get the actual repair tape in a sealed packet, and you get some gloves and some instructions. All you need is a cup of water or a bowl of water. Tear open the packet and it reveals this little roll of magic. All you do is dunk that in water for 10 seconds. That's it, 10 seconds. Wrap it around whatever you want to support or repair. You can do hammer handles, shovel handles, turbo hoses, ductings, you name it, and it seals rock hard. When it goes off, it is, they say on here, 100 times stronger than duct tape. Yeah, I could believe it because it is really good. It is really good. So anyway, let's. What I'm going to do to start with, because I just want to try and get a piece round there before we go any further. If I just take a piece of that off, just so that I can go with, I think that bit there like that. If I just cut that before we start. So if I just go like that, and snip that off there to start with. And I'm good to go. Right, now I'll put that back on the roll. Okay, let's just put that back on there like that. 10 seconds in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we have the, we've got the thing there. So let's just whip that bit off. I just split and put that over the back like that. Let's make sure this is all lined up and get the remainder of the tape like that. And let's go round the base like that. And let's just keep going round and round and round. Pulling it as we go, making sure it's nice and tight. That looks like the end of the roll, just about there, like that. Right, I'm just going to leave that for a couple of minutes and let it go off. Just got a little bit of water in there just to smooth that off a bit. Do. Let's let that and see how it goes, see if it goes off nice and hard and does the job. So in the packet you get a set of instructions. Obviously the bag it comes in, and you get this vinyl strip. Now if you're doing something like a shovel handle or something where you need to get it really compact, you can put this over the top and really pull it up tight while it goes off, and it just really packs it in tight and smooths it all out. This one we don't really need it, so let's get rid of that. Also get a little bit of sandpaper in there to rough up the surface or give it a bit of a clean. So I've done loads of things with this at the minute. Usually hoses, turbo hoses and turbo housings, and I've had great success with it. On the packet here it's saying you can do all sorts of handles and things with it. You get them in different size rolls, you get large, small. This one's a small one and it does most things. While that's going off, I better go and have a cup of coffee. So there we go, that's 10 minutes. And that, that's rock solid. It's absolutely rock solid. This tape is it's just gone off. Absolutely, it is rock hard. And that's just beefed that up no end. So that's a really good, it's amazing stuff. It's epoxy resin which is activated by air and water, and it just self-amalgamates to itself and bonds into this massively hard resin. Brilliant stuff. I mean, that is amazing. So yeah, one little target fixed, ready for some action. Yeah, we'll pop some pellets in that and see how strong it is. See if it can handle the Weimarach. Pop this target in. So this is shooting over 40 metres, and it takes quite a punch when it hits the target. It's a bit windy, and oh look at that spider there getting away with it. Right, so let's have a look at the target and see how it's coped with having these pellets shot at it, and has the repair worked? Oh, it's poor shooting. Look, got 2 through there, 1 through there, 1 through there. A couple of misses. Looks like I've got 1 over here. So the wind has played a bit of a part in this. Where else have we missed? I thought I hit 2 on the outside somewhere. Oh. But the important thing is, this has stayed good and strong. That's a great repair. Let's have a look. Well, as you can see, it's still absolutely rock solid, and that is, it's tough, it's great. So it's worked really well. It's worked really well. Really pleased with that. Job done. Even the dog's impressed. Maybe not. So yeah, remember this one. If ever you've got anything you need to sort out, anything you need to fix that's broke, this is about $4.95 a wrap, but it sticks almost anything back together again. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a thumbs up, comment. Thanks for watching.